Starting your cake or baking business part 3. So last video I talked about registering your name. So how do you go about choosing a name? There are many ways you can choose a name. It can be based on your city. It can be your favorite color or a flower. It can be anything. And then at the end, you can use baking studio, baking company, cake studio, cake company, dessert company. There's all different types of names that you can put on the end, and then you can make a combination of those two. So for example, you can have Lavender Baking Company, Rosewood Cakes, Dallas Area Baking Company. If that's your name, I just picked some of those out. So I did not research to see if those were real names, but you get the idea. So go down the list and see what you like. And don't forget to make sure to see that those names are not taken before you move forward.